Okay, now next question is reverse of a number. Now this question is based on digits and numbers, and as I told you in the previous problem, that is sum of digits of a number, the idea of getting each digit from a number, the technique is very simple, and I have told you in that video. If you haven't watched that video, do watch it, guys. Okay, now let's kill this title first and see, there are many approaches of solving a problem, but choose one which is more optimized. And I am going to tell you two approaches here. Okay, so let's look at the first approach, which is not recommended. In further questions, you will going to use the technique. Let's say we have a number n equal to 459. What we can do, we can convert this number, convert to string. Okay, we need to convert this number to string. Okay, then we can reverse this number 459, and then we can convert the string to the integer. Okay, the answer, specifically answer, we will get an answer from here and we can convert answer and we will get the final result. So as you know that string is a character array, and in array you can access each element by its index. So we will be able to access the digits of a number very easily. So there is an approach called two pointer approach, and I am going to tell you this. So let's say we have a number 459. What we will do, we will have two variables, two pointer variables to be precise, left and right, which will store index x. So 0 index will be stored by left, and n-1, that is this index, will be stored by right. Okay, so left will be here. What we need to do, we need to execute some steps. We need to add loop until we are adding while loop until my left is less than right. Okay, so left doesn't move forward. Now what we need to do, we just need to swap the elements. That is the, let's say we have a, that is number of left, and a of right. We need to swap it, and we will move this pointer further, and we will decrease the right pointer by 1. Okay, we have increased the left pointer 1 because the left pointer will point to 5 now. And okay, so left pointer will point to 5 now, and right pointer will be pointing to 5 only in this case. Okay, now what will happen, the 9 will come here, the 5 will remain here, and 4 will come here. Okay, now we did swapping, then left plus plus, then right minus minus. Okay, so right minus minus happened. Now this condition will fail because left is equal to right here. So while loop will be stopped, and this is our final answer. Okay, so this is how you can get the reverse of a number. Then you can convert this string into the integer, into the number, and you will get the result. Okay, see, let's have a number 459. Okay, so 9 is the units place, 5 is the 10th place, and 4 is the 100th place, right? Let's break it down. So 459 will be 400 plus 50 plus 9, right? And let's reverse it. So 459 reverse of it will be 954. So this can be broken down into 900 plus 50 plus 4. Did you find any similarities between these two patterns? If not, I will tell you. So the unit place number came into the 100 place. The 10th place remains the same, and the 100 place came into position of the units place. So the positions are swapped. Let's say we have a number n 459. I am defining it. It can be a user input as well. And we will take one reversed as a number because we need to find the reverse number, right? So reverse will be 0 for the first time. What we will do, we will run a loop until our number is greater than 0, because as we know that ultimately the number reduces to 0, and after 0 there is no digit to find. That's why we need to break it down. Now let's get the digit. So how do we get the digit? So digit will be equal to number modulo 10. So this is how you get the remainder, and remainder is basically the digit in our case. Okay, we got the digit. Now what we need to do, we need to do one thing. This is important step. Reversed equal to reversed into 10. So we need to multiply it with 10 plus the digit that we have, and we can do number equal to number by 10. This is how you get the quotient, that is the remaining number. See, we have number 459, right? And a reverse number, reverse was 0. Okay, now we picked 9. Then because we picked 9 as a digit, then what we did reverse equal to reversed into 10 plus digit. So 0 into 10 plus 9. So 0 into 10 is 0, 0 plus 9 is 9. So the reverse number was 9. After that we did 9 into 10 plus the second digit was 5. Okay, so 90 plus 5 will be 95, and after that we did 95 into 10 plus the remaining digit, that is 4. So 954. So this is how we got the reverse of it. Let's try to incorporate this into actual code. Okay, now let's do the code for reverse of a number. Here what I did, I declared a variable number and reverse. Number for taking the base number from the user, and we will store the reverse number into this reversed variable. Okay, now what I did, I have taken user from the I have taken input from the user. Okay, and after that I will run a loop until my number gets to 0, reduces to 0, and I have extracted the digit. Okay, after that we just need to do one step, and you know that. Okay, we have seen in the explanation part, that is reversed equal to reversed multiplied by 10 plus the digit. Okay, this is how you reverse the number, and after that our work will be done, and at last I am printing the reverse of a number is reversed. Okay, let's give something like 345. You should get 543, right? So let me run it. Okay, so we got 543. Let's try to give something like 258. You should get 852, and you got it. It's your time to do the code now.